Amsterdam Cheese Factory in Zaanse Schans, Windmill. The cheese factory is free entrance. Before going to the cheese factory, we warm up our body in one of the restaurants near the windmill where cheese factory is located. While waiting for our food, I take the chance to film outside.
Hello everyone! We are here in Amsterdam, Holland, in the windmill. It's the reality. It's so cold.
Look the view. It's amazing. The windmill is 15 minutes ride via train from Amsterdam Central. From the Zaanse Schans train station, it's only 15 to 20 minutes walk. You will reach the windmill. Just outside the train station of Zaanse Schans, you will pass by souvenir shops and restaurants. Look, the concrete bridge lifted to give way for the ferry boat to pass by. Like in London, the concrete bridge is lifted just to give way for the boat. It's a surprise for me because I only know that London Tower is only lifted, but also here in Amsterdam, the concrete bridge is also lifted. The bridge is slowly turning to its original position to make it as an ordinary bridge that all kinds of transportation will pass by. All kinds of cars and also human will pass by. We ask the staff who assist us what to order, and what we ordered, we are satisfied for it, especially the price and how is the taste. My taste buds is happy.
Gracias.
Dun sa ano yan? Saan yun eh?
Spain.
Punta tayo doon next time.
At the cheese factory, we walk again 5 minutes from the restaurant. We cross the bridge, which is just lifted and back to normal. And now we are here in cheese factory. All the flavors of the cheese have free taste. To those who have allergy in cheese, be careful. Coming here, you will not stop yourself buying a lot of flavored cheese. Aside from the very nice packaging, they also taste yummy. You can even ask the staff for the cheese that is newly cooked, and they can give you the newly cooked cheese to buy. They can also advise you how to store it and when to eat the cheese. The cheese factory has free entrance and no limit time staying inside. There is also group tour inside the factory. I suggest to taste the cheese flavored one at a time so that you will not be confused of the taste. The Windmill and Cheese Factory in Zaanse Schans, Amsterdam.